Is your GSTIN cancelled? Cancellation of GST registration means that the taxpayer will no longer be registered person under GST and will not have to pay or collect any GST, claim an input tax credit or the filed returns. The officer may cancel the GSTIN via registered 17 form for some reasons like no filing of returns for a continuous period of 6 months. There is no sign of running the business at the registered places of business. The registered person has to take voluntary GST registration but has not started a business within 6 months of registration. The registered taxpayer has contravened the provisions of the GST Act or rules made thereunder. The GST registration is obtained by fraud or willful misstatement, closure of business of the taxpayer, etc. Opportunity before cancellation. Before the cancellation of GST registration, a taxpayer will be given a reasonable opportunity for being heard. The officer should issue a notice in form of GST Registered 17 covering the points below. Clearly state the reasons based on which the registration of GST should be cancelled. Intimate the taxpayer to furnish a reply within 7 working days from the date of service of notice in form of GST Registered 17. The date and time of the personal hearing, if any, is required to be held. If you provide the proper justification against the notice by registration 18, and if the proper officer finds the reply to the satisfactory, he may drop the proceedings and pass an order in form of GST registration 20. If he is not satisfied, he may issue an order for cancellation of GST registration in form of GST registration 19. This order will be sent within 30 days from the date of reply to the showcase notice. If you have missed the above notice, the officer may cancel the GSTIN. Then you have to visit the department or apply for GST revocation within the prescribed time limit. If you need any support on GSTN activation of cancelled or suspended GSTN, contact us at Kanakkupillai.com.